how to cash out Bitcoin on Binance to Gcash. So if you want to cash out Bitcoin from Binance to Gcash, follow these steps. Step number 1, sell Bitcoin on Binance first. So open Binance app and log in. Tap trade, select the P2P that's called peer-to-peer. Tap sell, then select the Bitcoin. Choose PHP, the Philippine peso, as the currency. Find the buyer with Gcash as the payment method. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Tap sell Bitcoin and wait for the buyer to send the money to your Gcash. Step number 2, receive money on Gcash. So when the buyer sends the money, you will get a Gcash notification. Check your Gcash balance to confirm that you received the money. Number 3, after confirming, tap release Bitcoin on Binance to send Bitcoin to the buyer. Important tips. So choose a trusted buyer, check their rating and number of completed trades, and never release Bitcoin before receiving money in Gcash, and use a strong internet connection to avoid delays. Now your Bitcoin is converted to Gcash, in Gcash. So this is how to cash out Bitcoin on Binance to Gcash. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.